Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
There are 3 types of quick breads. Pour batters, thin in consistency. These can be poured from the mixing bowl. Drop batters are fairly thick and need to be scraped from the bowl into the baking pan. 3. Soft dough is thick enough to roll and shape by hand.
Take our lead.
Here are the 7 healthiest breads you can choose. Sprouted whole grain. Sprouted bread is made from whole grains that have started to sprout from exposure to heat and moisture. Sourdough. 100% whole wheat. Oat bread. Flax bread. 100% sprouted rye bread. Healthy gluten-free bread.
Take our lead.
In baked goods, you can replace yeast with an equal amount of baking powder. Just keep in mind that the leavening effects of baking powder will not be as distinct as those of yeast. Baking powder causes baked goods to rise rapidly, but not to the same extent as yeast.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Quick bread is any bread leavened with a chemical leavening agent rather than a biological one like yeast or sourdough starter. Quick breads include many cakes, brownies and cookies, as well as banana bread, beer bread, biscuits, cornbread, muffins, pancakes, scones, and soda bread.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Mixing methods. Foundations in baking. There are 3 major mixing methods used in baking, which consist of the muffin method, biscuit method, and the creaming method. Often, they are categorized by the baked item you are making and the degree of mixing used to ensure the best baked good possible.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.